Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the SolidWorks system requirement, how to check the system requirements and what is the minimum system requirements. And at the end of these videos, we'll also talk how can you check if your computer fits the requirements. Let's start. First, we need to go to the SolidWorks official website. Just type www.solidworks.com. Once you are in the website, just go down to the last page, which is support, and then choose the system requirement. And here you will see at least the requirement for the last three versions, 2019, 20, and 21. So it will always start with the operating system that you need to have. For Windows, you should have at least Windows 7, which is Windows 7 and the 10 for 64-bit only. This means that if you have Windows 7 or 10 with 32-bit, it won't work for SolidWorks. This is the window. Now, if you have MacBook Pro, Mac, and here as well there is the operating system that you should have for all 19, 20, and 21. Now let's talk about the hardware. The hardware, they recommend to have at least the processor 3.3 GHz or higher. According to my experience, so if you have between 2.3 to 2.4, it works, because that's what I have, and I have installed the last version, and it is working very well. So, but of course, they recommend to have at least 3.3 GHz or higher. Don't worry, I will show you at the end of the video how to check, how can you check in your computers. Now, check also the RAM. The RAM, they suggest to have 16 GB or more. But here, if you have like 8 GB for PDM or electrical or viewer, they say that 8 GB is okay. And also bear in mind in the graphic, they always give you the graphic. So if you don't have driver, just click here and you can download and install. So that's not a big deal. Now, how to check if your computers fits the requirement? We need to go to the My Computers, and we'll see all the requirements we have already seen here. Let's go to My Computers. We just come here to My Computers, go to the system properties, and here you will see first the hardwares and then the operating system. For the hardware, we have the processor. They said that you should have a 3.5 or higher gigahertz. As you can see, I have 2.3 to 2.4 gigahertz, and it worked very well. I have the Intel i5, so this means that if you have a dual core, but so if you have like i5 or higher, it is better. The RAM, I have the 8, the minimum what they recommend, and the system type is 64. Now, operating system, I have Windows 10, so it is good. So that's the way you can check. Now, that's the way you can check your computers. And as well, you need to check also the resolution. They don't tell there, but you should have 1920 to 1080. So that's the way you can check your computers and see if your computers fits the minimum requirement. I hope you like the videos, and please help the channel by subscribing, like, and comment below. See you for the next videos.